Come join us, the Mott's team, out here at 2174 Via Luna Circle in Jackson Local School District's newest housing development for 55 and over. Now the Browns are playing today on Saturday, but they're not playing till later, so come out from 11 a.m. to 1. Now look at this great entrance where your guests can actually keep warm and dry as they come visit you. Then you walk in here, and there is a large split bedroom plan, so there's a large bedroom up front here. We're gonna do this quick. Full bathroom here, because we want you to come see us. Look at this great room with these high ceilings, covered patio, this magnificent kitchen with this island, and of course, a first floor laundry room. Now these are all zero entry plans, so there's no steps whatsoever from the front door to the garage. Come on back and check out the master bedroom. Large master bedroom, again with high ceilings, super large closet, and here we have the master bath with a huge walk-in shower and a separated toilet area over there also. So come on out and see this, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Saturday, January 13th. We'll see you then.